Hello everyone. Today I take this video just want to share you my idea about how to DIY the lantern. The material is very simple. Aluminum stick, hard cardboard, and hot glue. Okay, let's get started. Talking about this aluminum stick, this is rose gold color. We have silver, gold, rose gold, white, and black color. And we accept customize. You can customize the length you want. And or if you want it to be wider, you can pick to be wider. But on this day, we only supply 1 meter, 1 cm, 1 cm wide. And about the hard cardboard, I cut it from my milk box. In fact, any cardboard hard enough will be okay. I use this because it will save money. In fact, you can use metal or glass, because we will decorate it with some flowers. So I think I will pick the cardboard. The size of the cardboard will be same as the aluminum stick length, the length of the aluminum. And my idea is apply some glue on the cardboard and stick it. Okay, I will show you. I used the hot glue, but in fact the E6000 will be better. But I used hot glue. And I won't make it very careful because I just want to show you the procedure. Using the hot glue, we must action faster. I think using the E6000 will be much better. You don't have to be so much hurry. case, in fact, for my experience, using the E6000 group instead of Hotgood will be much more better, because the Hotgood is so fast, so we cannot adjust the place, adjusting. We don't have time to adjusting. But anyway, I just show you the concept. You can make it much more better. And using the EU 6000 will not got the large gap. Now, okay, look at this. Because Hotgood is very fast, I don't have time to, so I need to melt it. Okay. Fast, fast, fast. Okay, completed. Let's check the detail first. Okay, it's very sturdy, right? Okay, check the detail. In fact, it's at the first glance it's very beautiful, but you can look at this, the gap. The gap is a little bit larger, so it's because of the hot groom, because the hot groom is a little bit thick, so it would make the gap. That would make the total shade a very little out of shade because of the gap, and because the hot glue is very fast. We need to fast to make the lanterns by using the gap. We don't have time to adjust the stick, so the craft is not much perfect. So if you change other groups such as E6000 or other groups, I'm sure you can make the lantern much more perfect than I made. So, and in fact, this one is good also. It's really enough because this is a handcraft product, so we accept the fraud, and after we put on the decoration stuff such as the flower, the candle, the come out will be really beautiful. So I think I'm not good at crafting, so if I can make the lanterns like this and you think the lantern is okay, so I'm sure you can make the lantern better than me. Okay, so if you want to know the size of the length of the stick and the size of this lantern, you can check my Facebook. You can find the link by below information field. I will mark the sign on my Facebook page. And if you want to buy the aluminum stick to make the lanterns, we have 4 color: white, black, this rose gold, and gold and silver, 5 colors. And we accept customize the stick length, the length of the stick. So the price is really cheap. If you want to know the price, you can message me from FB, Facebook, or you can check the price from my blog. You can find the price from the product list. Below, you can find all the link. And the next tutorial I will post on next week. I will show you how to decorate these lanterns with candle and flowers. But please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement, because I will get revenue from YouTube and use that money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your support. Okay, bye bye.